Do you guys want to know what it is to get a 1 or 2 bedroom garage apartment in Celebration? Let me show you. So this walkway leads to the main house, your back porch, and I have that in another video, so subscribe and take a look. And this is a beautiful private entry for your garage apartment. Come on up. You walk right into a gorgeous kitchen, and I really love, they are not skimping, guys. You have a gas burning stove in your garage apartment, deep sink, and look at all of this space. Lovely, lovely features, lots of room to be able to have your kids, your adult children, your parents, or if you want to rent it out and make a little extra cash, I would stay here too. Guys, this is a hidden gem. Imagine having your own beautiful bedroom in your own garage apartment. I just feel like this is home sweet home. So if you want to know more about garage apartments and multi-generational living in Celebration, you know what to do. Comment Disney below and we will send you details.